Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel and to the video, and magandang araw sa inyong lahat. That's like the extent of my Tagalog. Well, I understand Tagalog fluently because my parents actually still speak to me in Tagalog at home, which I'm super fortunate and thankful for. It's just I don't regularly practice it, which is sad. And me being like one of the first Filipinos ever to move to Canada, most of the Filipinos I talk to, they've only been living in Calgary or in Canada in general for like maybe between 7 to 10 years, whereas I myself, me and my family, moved here since 1996. That's 24 years ish. I've been living here almost all my life. That explains why I have no accent. I've been brutally whitewashed living in North America, but all for the better. I've been through this before, and you can see it in my Draw My Life video on my It's Birdie channel. I explain how if my parents didn't come here, I probably wouldn't be doing the things I am doing today. So, but yeah, today's a beautiful day. I mean, it's been raining for the past like week, so I'm gonna be using this as an opportunity to do some car stuff, just little things. And we're starting off with some Porsche Sports decals, as you can see. So it's just a big sad face on the front of the car. That's what the sad face is gonna be looking like from the inside of the car. All right, check it. So I'm just gonna wait until these guys finish up. They're almost done this wrap job, which took them like, I'd say in a span of 4 days, collectively, time-wise, 2 days top, to fully complete this Civic wrap job. And it's a pretty fancy color. Check this. So top almost looks like it's purple, but color shifts from blue. And then in some angles, it looks like it's almost turquoise as well. Pretty cool. These guys did a good job. What's up, Larry?
Hey, birdie.
Yo, the mounted works. So meaty. Nice, huh? I actually really like these wheels. BraveLion? Alright, let me show you guys what we got for the Supra. It's a little Rex Speed box and a box from Autotechnic. Check. So in the Rex Speed box are just polarized mirrors, blue. I know these guys recently just came out with their next iteration, which has the GR symbol, which acts as the blind spot caution light. And yeah, should have waited. But looking at the back of this, just a few clips. So down the line, if ever I want to change, I'll probably end up going with it. In the Autotechnic box. So Autotechnic is a brand that specializes in carbon fiber aero parts. I came across their Instagram and I saw that they had some parts for the A90, including these carbon fiber mirror caps. They're pretty aggressive. Ooh. Damn. These are legitimate replacements. That's sick. All right, Larry, wanna help me out?
Sure.
Just gotta peel off our wrap job. A few videos back, we wrapped it in this leftover carbon vinyl wrap, which actually looks pretty decent, you know, from afar. But yeah, it's all, oh no! It picked up some of the PPF. Ugh.
Every day, every morning, and every night.
gonna look sick. Now we know that these are just clips. It's just a matter of unclipping the OEM parts. So let's get to it. All right, so two things. It's actually pretty easy to replace this. You're actually getting rid of the turn signal. That's pretty much it. Everything else you can just tuck in behind like the circle area, and it really is just unclip this guy. And then these two prongs right here, you're gonna be feeding onto these two prongs. So at least you'll be keeping the defroster. So once the mirror is off, it's actually the best time to get behind the mirror cap. There's no other way around it unless you want to break clips. So since the Autotechnic mirror cap is a full replacement, it comes with clips, it's not just 3M. But as you can see, these three bigger prongs are grooved going inwards. So they actually go into the slots, and there is no other way for you to get them out unless you unclip them from the other side. In behind, you got the three prongs right here, here, and one right here. I think it's best to use needle nose pliers, but I believe in my finger strength. Okay, maybe not. Who just arrived? Mr. Gutu? You got none of that, bro.
Air fist.
Touching up some of the gold, because as you can see, there's clearly a difference.
You're not supposed to expose that.
People on this channel appreciate transparency, okay? Mistakes and all, I'll include it in the vlogs. It's not a mistake either, okay? It's just wrong direction. Gutu has a new special part in. Check it. So, Gutu ordered this, I think a month or so ago.
February.
In November?
February.
Oh, February. Okay, yeah, just a couple of months. But it came unpainted, so we just picked it up from Josh yesterday, or a couple of days ago. And yeah, we're gonna throw it on. Josh did a really good job, but the guys have been doing some work in the garage, so it's a little bit dusty. Apologies. Probably one of the most aggressive looking hoods I've ever seen for IS350. Honestly, I think Gutu's IS is probably one of the most different looking, most aggressive IS350s. Lexus is in general in almost all of Canada, in my opinion. After he wide-bodied, it became my favorite in the crew. Replaced Jarek. So let me show you guys what we actually did on the Supra. Really subtle change. It's the little details that make all the difference in the world. Check it. So this is what the Autotechnic carbon covers look like. You can tell that these guys heavily reference the new Beamers. Like M2s and M3s have similar side mirrors, but believe it or not, this particular design creates a vortex that gets rid of mad wind drone that these Supras are notorious for. Now on this side, polarized mirrors, sweet. From the front, kind of makes it look like the Supra got horns. Man, looks aggressive though. just going through the effort of removing these. Wait, why are you even taking these off?
Just to get to.
Oh, oops. Right. For the windshield. Wait, what? Yeah, we never even test fit this. Moment of truth right here. Double check. Oh,
I gotta take that thing off.
oh my gosh. Oh my.
Should I just drop it?
I think so, yeah. That's how you test it, dude. Is that closed? Maybe that's it.
Close all the way.
You've been gone from car things for far too long, my friend.
Wait, it isn't stuck.
What? Really? Oh. Hold up. Oh no. Well, you're on your own.
Yes.
Good. Huge.
Better-ish.
Yeah.
Not bad.
I think we can just play around with the bump stops.
Woo! I think I need to clean it.
Yo, look at this. Functional vents, but they're so well hidden. Very sleek. More airflow, but no performance under the engine, so you don't need it.
The Lexus.
This just means on to the next step. How low did you go?
So low, it's flush with the.
Well, give that a shot. Yeah, it's not supposed to do that. We figured it out. It's this thing, the actual latch part of the hood latch. At least this is adjustable. So just measure it on this one.
It's like a finger length.
Yeah, that's why I was adding like an inch or so. With a little bit of adjusting, YouTube was able to get it flush. Now that is a good fit.
I was curious to see what it's gonna look like on wide body.
Again, for anyone wondering, this is the ARC wide body for the IS350, but it's hella wide. YouTube's just gonna go bring this for a small car wash. Kinda needs it. Clean. Looking at these cars side by side, they're like Dark Knight's crew. Both like very aggressive and Batman-ish looking. I think I'm just gonna end the video, guys. Got some goodies on the Supra, more vanity things. But I think the next video for us is gonna be throwing on the rest of the carbon aero parts for the Supra. Maybe get Jesse, Infamous Design, next door to design canards and maybe a diffuser. Also, now that we've passed braking period, we can finally install our exhaust. I'm planning on doing that in the next few days here. But I just really need to catch up with the videos first. Got one for the vlog. Catch you later. This guy's working on some livery. He's basically transferring what he already had on his OEM hood, but using the proper gold.
Real gold.
So as usual, guys, thanks for watching. And if you want to get updated on when new videos come out on the channel, hit the sub button with the notification button ticked, drop a like and leave some good vibes in the comments. We'll see you in the next video. See ya. Who's that? Who's that? Hey, I'm coming in a goodie. What are you going up to? Oh, I'm here, Gohan. I'm here, dude. What's up? What are you gonna do? I got you.